People welcome back to my channel. First, let me say something about the Grenadian athlete Anderson Peters. Listen, a good thing me Ben and not say anything negatively about the Trinidadian crew members after the video posted showing them assaulting Anderson and his brother and then throwing Anderson overboard, because that is just the ending part of the video. How the fight started, that video is currently out, and they are saying that Anderson is the one that started the fight by throwing his drink into the captain's face and then spat on the captain. So criminal charges have been filed against Anderson and his brother. So we'll see how that turns out. This video is about our Jamaican athlete, Christopher Taylor. Yes, man, that 400-meter runner is very promising. People are saying that he is burnt out from doing an extra year at KC. I don't think so. The man just not ready for peak as yet. And remember that he's young, right? Yeah, man. But that's my opinion. You understand, and you have your opinion as well. So world and Olympic finalist Christopher Taylor is now the fastest Jamaican in the world this year, after running a personal best and a championship record of 44.63 seconds to take the men's 400-meter title over there in the Bahamas. So what happened is there's a senior championships taking place over in the Bahamas, and we have quite a few athletes over there. Sherika Jackson is also over there, so quite a few athletes doing different events over there. So Christopher Taylor, he won the 400-meter race, so he's now the fastest Jamaican. Remember that he finished 7th at the recent World Championships in Oregon and a season best of 44.97 seconds coming into this championship. So now he eclipsed Javon Powell, another Jamaican, right? He was the fastest Jamaican of 44.87 seconds. So now Christopher Taylor is now the fastest Jamaican this year in the 400-meter event. So yeah, man, big up yourself, Christopher Taylor. Respect you, sir. Yeah, man, I love my Jamaican athlete them. I am looking forward to Sherika Jackson race, and also I don't remember his first name. I think it is Andrew. Don't quote me on this. I think it is Andrew Doe Hudson. I am sure his surname is Hudson. Can't remember his first name now, but I think it is Andrew. I don't remember, man. But anyway, I am looking forward to see how he will run in the final, because he's there repping for Jamaica, right? Yeah, man, he finally got the clearance. So now he is competing for Jamaica. He switches allegiance from the US to Jamaica. But he wasn't at the World Championship because they said that he wasn't qualified to compete for Jamaica. At the time, they said that he would have been at the Commonwealth Games, but I didn't see him. But now he's over there in the Bahamas, and he won his heat, the 200-meter heat. So I guess tomorrow is the final. So I am really looking forward for how he will run in the final. I am hoping that he will run 19 point something though. Yeah, man, wanting to go 19 point something. Yeah, man, respect Joe Hudson. His father is Jamaican, so he's qualified to compete for Jamaica. Anyway, that's it, people.